everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel, Philippine Adventures. Right now we are up going to Mount Talinis. So I thought it's easy, but now it's very so difficult and very hard. So we're going 8 hours walk. Come on, let's go. Akong kamera to kung hindi ay nakuan. This is the highest mountain here in Valencia.
We're going to the highest peak of Negros Oriental.
Hello guys, we're going.
Grabe ka kapoy. Surbol ko na.
Dili, pero mas ano may dress para comfort ka.
So video ito atong tour guide. No, lahin ng tour guide sweeper nalaman. Ito ko na.
Ako pa yung medyas para comfort ba kay. Isa do ako di.
Iyo rin taas sabik ay.
Hindi ya.
Okay guys, finally we are here and now we're starting to do our tent. Here, imagine we are, I think, 6 hours walking up on this hill. This is the second highest mountain here in Negros Oriental. Shortcut, Alex.
After set-upping my tent, I will go down to the lake and I will helping to my groups to preparing for dinner. I'm with my youth mate before, so this is our all opportunity we meeting each other and to be back for bonding. So look at guys the wonderful view.
Brad, nakailang lutuan? Wala na? Ano ba din ko?
Chicheria. Kulit?
This is the Lake Nailig, guys. It's on the top of the mountain. There, we faster wing up. The way is very terrible and very cliff. Here with friends doing their cooking for dinner. So our tent is there. Yeah. 4 o'clock around here in the morning.
Nakita na kanab diri lagi.
Dere. Ito o lami kag sit up nga po stand.
Kana.
Lake Nailig, and you have to walk 6 hours if you are not a mountaineer going up here, and before you reach this lake. Mountaineer usually go up here. Tomorrow morning we will going up to the summit So tonight we have need a good rest for tomorrow we can go up to the summit. Good morning everyone. It's very cold here up the mountain. I'm so really freezing. So this is our first morning here at Mount Salinas. But in fairness guys, it's very cold. Even we are using this sleeping bells, but I mean sleeping bag, but we still very freezing. Even outside, we show you. I'm gonna go look outside. So, oh, my friends is early woke up and they are preparing all ready for the breakfast. And there is some another groups at the other sides. They are being camping also. So that the one. So this time we are not be like lonely because there's more groups like doing camping. Okay, I'm gonna go to my friends now and I gonna try have a coffee. Ah, no po diri lao. Dagkan. Lokal na. Are going to have coffee down there. So I take my coffee. Ah, Nana, dura. Shay, you missed this one. Huh? On the other side, there's somebody's camping there, and they are some like DNR forest guard around here. So we'll try to go after us if they can contact for some carryman to carry the stuff of Auntie Christie because they get really hard to carry their things to go back. There we will go up the highest one in the peak before we go home. So if we are there in the peak, you can see that all area down here. So good morning guys, we are here at the other side of lake location in Mount Salinas. So this is the area here. In the other side we have a big area camping site here. Cooper are areas there we were camp. Okay, cut na. Anak big. Okay. We are ready now to go up to the summit. So stay tuned guys and I will show you the views around on the summit.
Sada dire kay ngano. Na may mga kahoy dito, wa may kahoy.
Sada dire kay bugnaw.
Mga yugan kinahanglan mga alas.
Look guys, this is the trails going up. It's so very hard. My God. Hello my friends. Okay, come on.
One step at a time.
Yeah. Kumbate. Don't hold this one because this is all stick. This one. Yeah. Careful. Okay, you have to raise first here. Okay, next. Pasok. Ding, 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 ding. Kumbate. Wala stipper la.
Ganit yan. Sige, haring kahoy yan. Di, salt mo sa lima.
Abi na. Abi na imong stick be ato dawaton. Abi.
Hirap, kalisod.
Hinay-hinay, bira.
Kaya pag po ni ani niya.
Kamang kuan. Kamang lagi hapon.
Dire. Paatras.
Apa atras ko datong na og ani ron.
Ne. Alisa.
Tarzan.
Tarzan.
Kumbate.
Asag
Yeah. You want to leave your stick here? Katituroy na.
ihatag niya ni. Ging.
Go.
Go. Wala pa dito.
Wala.
Finally, we are here at the top. But it's not easy. Whew.
Ayan na.
Good. Sa bitayan din na.
Oh, finally we are in the top of the peak. 1 hour plus walking up. This is really on the peak and you can see everything here. So down there we having a camp, and in the morning we pass here. We are down there. So that's the lake.
Hello guys.
Wonderful.
Hello, hello.
Amazing.
Anybody can hear me up here? Yeah. Say hi. Hello.
We back down now from the summit, so hope you like and enjoy also our video guys. Even this is a really hard trails, but we enjoy it. So right now I gonna see you, bye bye, and I hope you enjoy this video guys, and see you to my next video, and I hope you still be supporting watching my video even this is not really clear. Okay guys, bye bye.